If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip-Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip-hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip-Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
In my generation, biggest in the world, and police attention. God is the honey, also daddy to believe. I still never had a million lives to try to believe. But man, give their life to money to today where I did. Peace comes short, mention what will you say? I want to God in my mouth, so I can't say. I'm still a coming devil in your life to stay. As for me, what Christ is, that is why I will stay. On my knees in this house, all I do is pray. Pray. Let me come to you. Come to you. Come to you.
My life without Yahweh. Oh, how can I live my life without my God? Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down. Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down. Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down. Come save my soul, Yahweh. My Savior, I surrendered all my life to you. You came to save me. You came and laid down your life for mankind. I will praise you. I will sing a joyful song to your name. Hey. I will praise you. I will sing a joyful song to your name. Oh, I cannot live my life without Yahweh. Hey. I cannot live my life without my God. Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down. Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down. Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down. Come save my soul, Yahweh. Don't let me down.
salvation. No matter your tongue religion, too many is going.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip-Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip-hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip-Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.